Alright, this is Tom Tales, and today we are in Springbrook.
Yes.
Springbrook National Park, or a part of it. And today's a long hike. We're doing 17 k's. Let's hope it's not going to be too exhausting. The weather is nice. It rains a little bit, but that's just the waterfall. You see behind the waterfall is the sun. Until now it's a quite cool walkway already. Some rainforest. A walk behind a waterfall is always cool. Ah, damn. Even a part through the waterfall. But that's for later. Let's see if I can make some other nice shots from it later on. Yeah, it's a very cool rainforest feeling to walk here. Oh. Very nice, cool places. And there was also somewhere between here and the next waterfall a snake hiding on the road, or that's what a previous walker told us that we met. So we will see if we can find that one. Now we're at the next waterfall. It's over there. But haven't found any snakes yet. Maybe that's good, maybe that's bad. I haven't decided that part yet. Another waterfall, but still no snakes. But still nice. So now we are around, and you have like Brisbane over there. That should be the Gold Coast, Coolangatta, and all the valley that you see here in front of you. We walked through. That was a very nice walk, wasn't it?
Yes. Indeed.
And now we're just make a small detour and went to the Best of All lookout. Yeah, for some reason somebody was really thought it was better than the rest. Best of All lookouts. It was a volcano once, the board says.
Okay, bye.